Welcome to Aptitude series from Learn and Let Learn Learning with Balram. In this series, I'm trying to explain you all the aptitude concepts, the tricks, all the basic models that are covered in almost all competitive exams. So the series starts with time and work. Here, I'm going to tell you three basic models of time and work, and the series goes on. The more deeper you get into the series, the more difficult the problem gets. So let us face the first problem of the aptitude series. I'm glad that you are here. Please do subscribe, learn and let learn. A can do a piece of work in 10 days and B can do the same work in 20 days. With the help of C, they finish the work in 4 days. C can do the work in how many days? So he gives the data as A can do the work in 10 days. So he does 1 by 10th part of work in 1 day, and B can do in 20 days. He does 1 by 20th part of work in 1 day, and C is asked us to find, let us suppose it is X. So let us suppose it is X. So he can do 1 by X part in 1 day, and he gives us a plus B plus C can do work in 4 days. So which means 1 by A plus B plus C, and that means 1 by one part 1 day they can do 1 by fourth part of the work. So all we got to do is equate this. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by X is 1 by 4, because 1 day how much part of the work is done by all together is this, which is equal to this. So we have 1 by X as 1 by 4 minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 20, which is nothing but you will have 2 by 20, you will have 1 by 10, you have 10 days. So here 1 by 10 signifies C can do 1 by 10th part in 1 day. 1 by 10th part in 1 day. So how many days he takes to finish off this complete work is 10 days. You just have to reciprocal it. It is 10 days. So you have A option here. The next question says X can do a piece of work in 30 days. Similarly, you have the same model, same problem. You have 30 days. So 1 day it is 1 by 30th part. So Y does the work in 20 days. So in 1 day it is 1 by 20th part, and Z can do it in 24 days, and you have 1 by 24th part in 1 day. He's asking how many days will they all do together. So it is very simple. All you gotta do is add all these three and you get how much part of the work all the three will do in 1 day, and then you can reciprocal it and you'll get it the days will they do it all together. So it's very simple here. So 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 24. Here LCM of 30, 20, 24 is 120. It's 120. Yeah, let's check. It's 120 only. 5 6 or 4 sir 24 6 1 4 6 6 6 36. Yeah, it is 120. So 30 is how much? 34s are 120. 26 are 120. 24 5s are 120, which is nothing but 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 by 120 is nothing but 1 by 8. So 1 by 8th part will be completed by all the three X, Y, Z in 1 day. So how many days will they all together do the work is 8 days. All you gotta do is reciprocal. You have to reverse it. 1 by 8 will become 8. So 8. The next question is somewhat tricky. Just please try to understand the question, then answer is very easy. X can do a piece of work in 20 days. Very simple. We have been seeing this. X, okay, 20 days. So he will take 1 by 20th part of the work in 1 day. Now he's worked at it for 5 days. So he worked at it only for 5 days. And then Y finished it in 15 days. So after X worked for 5 days, and then Y came and finished work in 15 days. How many days he how many days can X and Y together finish the work. Now we don't have information as on how many days will Y take to complete the whole work. We know after X worked for 5 days, then Y comes and he works for 15 days. So we don't know how much time Y takes to complete all the work. So let us suppose we know that X can do work, 1 day's work is 1 by 20th part. So 5 days will become 5 by 20. How much is that? 1 by 4. So 1 by 4th part is done. 1 by 4th part is done by X. X does 1. How much is the remaining part? Remaining is 1 by 1 by 4. Remaining is 1 minus 1 by 4, which is nothing but 4 minus 1, it is 3 by 4, right? So 3 by 4th part is remaining, which is done by Y in 15 days, right? So 15 days is taken by Y to do 3 by 4th of the work. Then how many days will Y will take to finish one complete part, that is 4 by 4 or one complete part of the work? All you have to do is cross multiply. Just explaining you very basic model. So you have here 15 into 1 is nothing but 3 by 4 into, suppose if you suppose this is x, right? So you want x value, you're gonna you have to send this side. So you have 15 into 4 by 3 equal to x. How much is this? 15 fours are 60. 60 by 3 is 20. So this 20 is nothing but how many days Y takes to complete work. 20 days Y takes to complete the work. So what is the question now? How many days X and Y together to finish work? We have found out this as 20 days. It's very simple now. So X and Y will take 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20 part of work in one day, which is nothing but 2 by 20, which is nothing but 1 by 10, and I'm reciprocating it, it is 10 days. So X and Y will take 10 days. So very simple, it is 10 days. So observe the trick here. X is doing for 20 days the complete work, but he's not working for 20 days. He's working only for 5 days. So I have written 1 by 20th part in one day, and so in 5 days it is 5 by 20th, which is 1 by 4. So he's finishing 1 by 4th of the work. How much is the remaining work? 3/4 of the work is remaining. So this 3/4 of the work is done by Y in 15 days. In 15 days he's doing 3/4 of the work. So I am just 15 days he's doing 3/4 of the work. Then how many days will he take to complete the work is what this all is done, and we get the answer is 20 days, and I'm doing the same model that we repeated again. So this is how you do time and work problems. These are very basic models. We're going to deal with some tougher models. I'm going to explain you very clearly. We have pipes and systems problems too in the time and work series. Thank you. Please subscribe and share these videos. They're going to be very much useful. Thank you for staying up so long.